Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice using make to talk about causes for change. For example, hot days make me thirsty, or mean people make him angry. As usual, let's jump right in and practice. But before we do, I just want to remind you that if you prefer some visual help, you can also find the video version of this podcast on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class. Now let's dive right in and start practicing some English. Let's start with two sentences that are connected. When John is with Mary, he is happy. We can change these two sentences into one sentence by using make. First, let's identify the cause for John's happiness. Mary. Now we have our first someone. Next, we need the verb make. Then we have to name who is experiencing the change. John. So now we have Mary makes John. Now we need to mention what the change is. What change happens to John because of Mary? What change happens to John because of Mary? Happy. So we have Mary makes John happy. Mary makes John happy. Mary is the cause of the change in John to happy. Mary makes John happy. Let's substitute Mary and John. What is Mary? He, she, it, you, they. She. She makes him happy. She makes John happy. And how would you substitute John? What is John? He, she, it, you, they. He. She makes him happy. She makes him happy. She makes him happy. She makes him happy. Can you make a why question with that sentence? Why does she make him happy? Why does she make him happy? Why does she make him? 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 Why does she make him happy? Here is the reason. She has a wonderful personality. She makes him happy because she has a wonderful personality. She makes him happy because she has a wonderful personality. All right, fantastic job. Let's try another example. Here are two sentences, two ideas. When Lisa smells garlic, she feels hungry. We can change these two sentences into one by using make. First, let's identify the cause for Lisa feeling hungry. The smell of garlic. The smell of garlic is the cause. Now we have our something, and next we will put the verb to make. And now we have to talk about who is receiving the change, who is experiencing the change. Lisa. So now we have the smell of garlic makes Lisa. Now we have to mention the change. What change happens to Lisa when she smells garlic? The smell of garlic makes Lisa hungry. The smell of garlic makes Lisa hungry. Okay. Now we have the smell of garlic. This is the subject. It's a noun, actually. How would you substitute the smell of garlic? What is that? A he, a she, an it? It makes Lisa hungry. It makes Lisa hungry. It makes Lisa hungry. How would you substitute Lisa? Her. It makes her hungry. It makes her hungry. It makes her hungry. Let's make a why question with that sentence. Why does it make her hungry? Why does it make her, why does it make her hungry? Why does it make her hungry? Here is the answer. Because garlic is delicious. It makes her hungry because garlic is delicious. It makes her hungry because garlic is delicious. All right, super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to remind you, if you find these exercises helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next lesson. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more fluency and listening exercises. Now, let's keep practicing English. We have 2 sentences here. When customers receive bad service, they get upset. They become upset. Let's use make so that we only have to use one sentence. We only have to say one sentence. First, what is the cause for upset customers? What is the thing that customers don't like? Bad service. Bad service. Okay, then we're going to use make. Bad service makes. Bad service makes. Now, who is experiencing this change? Customers. Bad service makes customers. What? How does it change them? Upset. Bad service makes customers upset. Bad service makes customers upset. Bad service makes customers upset. How would you substitute bad service? What is that? Is that a he, a she, an it? It. It makes the customers upset. It makes customers upset. How would you substitute customers here? Them. It makes them. It makes them upset. Makes them. Makes them. Makes them. It makes them upset. It makes them upset. Let's do a why question with it makes them upset. Why does it make them upset? Why does it make them? Make them. Why does it make them upset? Why does it make them upset? Why does it make them upset? The reason is they expect value for money. They expect value for money. It makes them upset because they expect value for money. It makes them upset because they expect value for money. It makes them, it makes them, it makes them, it makes them upset. It makes them upset. It makes them upset because they expect value for money. It makes them upset because they expect value for money. All right, amazing job. Let's try one more. When Mark sees old photos, he starts to feel sentimental. Okay. When Mark sees old photos, he starts to feel sentimental. Sentimental means remembering the past in a kind of sad way, or a feeling of wanting to return to the past, of missing the past, so you feel sad. When Mark sees old photos, he starts to feel sentimental. We can use make to change these 2 sentences into one. First, we have to mention the cause for the change. What is the cause of Mark feeling sad or Mark feeling sentimental? Old photos. So old photos are the cause. Then we're going to use make as our verb. Old photos make. Now, who is experiencing the change? Old photos make Mark. That's like a tongue twister. Old photos make Mark. Old photos make Mark. Old photos make Mark. Okay. And what change occurs? What change happens to Mark when he sees the old photos? Sentimental. Sentimental. Old photos make Mark sentimental. Old photos make Mark sentimental. Old photos make Mark sentimental. How would you substitute old photos? They. They make Mark sentimental. They make Mark sentimental. And how would you substitute Mark? Him. They make 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 him sentimental. They make him sentimental. They make him sentimental. Let's make a why question. Why do they make him sentimental? Why do they make him? Why do they make him? Why do they make him sentimental? Why do they? Why do they? Why do they make him sentimental? And here's the reason. Because he remembers fun times. They make him sentimental because he remembers fun times. Because he remembers fun times. They make him sentimental because he remembers fun times. All right, you did an amazing job today. Congratulations. I knew you could do it. It's been really fun practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you again real soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video with more interesting words and phrases.